Hello everyone, my name is Rukshar Sanaj Fardin and I am associated with an NGO named Arohi Advent of a New Era. The main objective of Arohi is the empowerment and upliftment of the downtrodden women folk. We are really trying our level best so that we can make their life a better one, but due to lack of resources or limited resources that we have, we are not able to do justice with them. And we have already visited many places and tried our best so that we can help them a lot, since there are many women, especially due to the COVID situation, the downtrodden women or the people who are below the poverty line, that is actually the women, they are facing a lot of difficulties because of the pandemic, since their husbands are out of work and they have to run the house with minimum resources, and some of them even had to starve 2-3 days together. That is why we are trying our best so that we can help them, but still we are not able to help them. Still we are not able to help them completely. We have already visited a village, that is Hira Gaon, in one of the remotest place of Assam, but although we tried helping some of them, but still there are many people who are physically not well, that is physically they are suffering from many diseases like heart disease, kidney, nerve issues, and one old granny, we can say, she has even lost her eyesight due to lack of resources. She is not able to go, visit any hospital because her son is unemployed since the last 10 years and her husband is really very old, so they don't have enough funds so that she can continue her treatment. That is why her disease has been a prolonged one. That is one such case. Apart from this, there are still some cases, since all of them are laborers. Okay, they used to get this, they used to earn on a wage basis. So since due to the COVID situation, they are out of work. Even their children had to opt out of school since they are not able to pay the fees. If their education is hampered, so we are trying that the women folk, they can start a livelihood by. Every woman has a desire to earn, and at Arohi we try our best so that their desire can be transformed into reality. We want to give them a means of livelihood so that they can be financially independent and they don't have to depend on their husband, because in the COVID situation, the downtrodden women are the ones who have faced a lot of difficulties since their husbands are out of work. So if they are in a position to earn, then their life would have been somewhat better. So we are trying that the women can earn something. So we are trying to give them a means of livelihood, but due to lack of resources, we are not able to do so. And at the same time, at Hira Gaon, where we have visited, there are many people who have some serious diseases, and for that we don't have as much of resources so that all of them can get cured. And for that we have some videos lined up. After this intro, you can see the videos. From them you can have an overview or idea that what problem they are actually facing, and since their diseases or the illness that they are suffering are seriously very trivial. That is why we want that you guys help us so that we can raise a little bit of funds for them so that we can get them treated in a better hospital, since they are completely ignored at this time. And I hope that old granny who has already lost her one eyesight and it is affecting the other eye as well. So I hope that with the funds that we will be able to gather from you people will help her to regain her lost eyesight, and that's what we are pleading for. And that's all that I have to say, and please do watch the remaining videos so that you can get an idea regarding what I want to convey to you. Thank you.
ৰোগটো প্ৰথমতে আপোনাৰ ডায়াবেটিছ আছে, তাৰপিছত আপোনাৰ প্ৰেছাৰটো হ'ল, তাৰ হাৰ্টতো ধৰিলে অলপ, তাৰপিছত কিডনিকৰ প্ৰব্লেমটো এতিয়া মানে ডক্টৰ ভালকৈ ৰিপৰ্টটো পোৱা নাই, কৈছে অলপ হ'ব পাৰে হেৰিটো, ৰিপৰ্টটো কিন্তু আমি পোৱা নাই, ৰিপৰ্টটো কৰাব লাগিব। এতিয়া পইচা পাতিও অসুবিধা, পৰীক্ষা নিৰীক্ষা অলপ কৰাব লাগে, পইচা লাগে বহুত, মানে বেমাৰটো মোৰ ইমানখিনি।
মানে আপোনাৰ ডায়েবেটিছ আছে, প্ৰেছাৰ আছে?
ডক্টৰতে মানে ট্ৰিটমেণ্ট এটা লৈ আছিলোঁ, লৈ আছোঁ মানে এই মাজতে মানে 14 দিনমান মানে মোৰ জ্বৰো হ'ল আৰু হাতটো মানে আৰু এই জেগাটো পি মানে উঠি আহিবলৈ এইডোখৰ পি কৰি থাকে আৰু এই নাৰ্ভ এৰিয়া টানি থাকে। তাৰপিছত এতিয়া খাইছোঁ ঔষধ, খালেও মানে ইমান এটা সুস্থতা মই পোৱা নাই। এতিয়া আপোনালোক আহিব বুলিও গম নাপাওঁ। এতিয়া হঠাতে পাই পেলাই এতিয়া এই কাগজখনো দিয়া আজি 4-5 বছৰ হ'ল, পেলাই থৈছোঁ, এনেকৈ অহা মানুহেই নাই। আজি মানে আপোনালোকক লগ পাই ভালেই লাগে কিবা এটা, আৰু কিবা এটা কৰিব বুলি আশা এটা ৰাখিলোঁ আৰু।
আমাৰোতো মেইন সেইটোৱে যে আমি আপোনালোকক অলপ সহায় কৰিব পাৰোঁ।
হয়।
আপোনাৰ মানে
অসুখ মানে মোৰ আজি হ'লে 7-8 বছৰমান হৈছে। তেতিয়াৰ পৰা এনেকৈ অলপকৈ চিকিৎসা কৰি আছোঁ। তাৰপিছত শুনিলোঁ যে গভৰ্ণমেণ্টৰ চকু চিকিৎসা কৰে। গ'লোঁ গুৱাহাটীলৈ, নেটলৈ লৈ গ'ল, লৈ যায় চাই পিছত যাই পেলাই ডাক্তৰে ক'লে যে MRI কৰিব লাগে। MRI কৰিব লাগে বুলি ক'লে যে মোৰতো টকা পইচা নাই, 7,000 টকা আমি দুখীয়া মানুহ যেনে তেনে খাই কৰি চলি আছোঁ। কৰিব নোৱাৰি পেলাই আজি তেনেকৈ আছোঁ আৰু। এতিয়া চকু কৰি দেখাই অকণমান দেখা পাওঁ, কিন্তু ভাল আখৰকেইটা কিন্তু ধৰিব নোৱাৰোঁ। তেনেকৈ চলি আছোঁ, কাম নকৰিলেও নহয়, ঘৰ নচলালেও নহয়। ছোৱালীজনীয়ে ঘৰত গ'ল, ল'ৰাটো ছোৱালী পানী আনা নাই, চলি আছোঁ তেনেকৈ। কেতিয়াবা মই কান্দিয়ে পেলাওঁ।